Hi guys, welcome in my new video. I know I haven't been here for like half a year, but yeah, what can I say? I am in my final high school class and I have shit ton of studying to do. That's why it's very little place for any creative projects in my head. And yeah, and if you're new here, welcome, and this is my channel where I share all things healthy lifestyle, well-being, food, exercise, yoga related. With further ado, let's get started. Okay, as you probably see from the title, I can't chew. Since over a week I am wearing separating rubbers, which are literally just making space for braces in my mouth. And literally I had no idea that this is so painful, and I had no idea that I won't be able to chew anything, even a piece of bread. Literally, it's this difficult. That's why all I eat are just mixed blended foods. And I know that, as I read from the internet and when I started talking about it more with my friends, that this is a very common struggle, and that everybody in the beginning of their journey with braces has to eat for minimum 2 weeks just pulps and smoothies and soups, everything blended, because they just are not able to, use their teeth. That's why I thought that making a new series for people wearing braces, and before braces wearing separating gums, rubbers, maybe helpful, very helpful, because when I googled it, when I searched it on YouTube, there is like very little videos like that. So I thought it may be interesting to share it for people who really would like to still eat healthy, stay fit, and just give their body the best without using their teeth. It may be helpful, because I know it may be problematic for some people to come up with new ideas for blended foods, because how long can you eat the same smoothie and the same soup? That's why, yeah, I thought I will share it, because I am kind of a person which likes to discover new recipes and experiment in the kitchen, so I was, to be honest, even quite excited for a new challenge. Yeah, that's why. And also I would like to share some tips, what kinds of food, not only recipes, but what to remember about preparing your food, yeah, what to just put into your blender, and how to eat to support your body in the best way. So I hope you will enjoy it, and let's go to make some breakfast. So now I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I have my millet pudding made of millet and some greens and some fruits. So I'm gonna show you it in a second. So this is it. I have some kale in here, a banana, a millet, some hemp seeds, and also rice milk, then cardamon, some dark chocolate on top, and also a bit of matcha, you know, and yeah. I'm gonna shortly tell you some basics that I try to stick to, that I think are important to stay healthy when you have to eat a diet, when you can chew. And this is not like one day. I'm gonna probably eat it like that for over 2 weeks, and I'm eating like that for a week. So it will be like 3 weeks of eating just liquid foods, you know, mixed, blended. So yeah, for me very important is to make sure that I have all the nutrients, you know, carbs, fats and proteins in that, and also to have fiber, because when you eat liquid foods they have to be, you know, more processed. You can process them by yourself, but food processor, but you know, things like which are easier to chew are usually, you know, yogurts and stuff that are rather easy to digest and very low in fiber, like eggs. Yeah, so it's important for me to mix some things also that are higher in fiber. In that case is millet, you know, some hemp seeds, also kale, banana, and you know, to add some seeds to your smoothies, because I can't chew any nuts or anything, so I try not to eat only nut butters and chocolates as for fat, but I also try to blend some seeds to make it more filling and healthy. Another very important thing in my opinion is to eat slower than I would eat like normal meals which I chew, and try to, you know, keep your food in your mouth for a bit before you are gonna, you know, swallow it, because you know, when you give your body so much food at once, it's a shock for him. So I always try to do it while eating smoothies and soups even, because your body will not recognize when it's satisfied, because I heard somewhere that our body, it takes 15 minutes to realize that it's satisfied. That's why we should really take a bigger focus on that when we are just literally eating just liquids, because if we don't want to feel overfull and, you know, be able to live healthy, be energized, and yeah, that's it for now. Yes, so okay, this is my lunch. Here we have mashed roasted potatoes, and here we have half a tomato. This is very this kind of more, you know, soft tomato, so it's easy to eat it. This is mashed half an avocado with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and there we have my homemade lentil soup mixed with broccoli, some carrots, pumpkin, and some miso paste, and I have some nutritional yeast on top, and yeah. Okay, so I've been on a little photo shoot. It was pretty fun, but I've made this yummy pudding, which is made of beetroot, cardamon, frozen raspberries, half a pear, and then a little bit of cottage cheese and And also what else we have in here? Actually, I think that's it. So simple, just blend it, and you can't even feel the beetroot. Oh, and also a teaspoon of cacao, but the pink color is dominating anyway. And I also got myself this to dip it and try to eat it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to eat it. We will check it in a second. I hope so, because I crave them so much. Otherwise I will just soak them and eat probably them soaked. It's not that bad, but it hurts anyway. I think we'll soak it, but it's good. I love it. Usually I eat them with a bit of muesli or nuts or seeds, but you know, I can't eat it, so. If you're vegan, you for sure can make it instead of cottage cheese with tofu, because I don't know the second name for cottage cheese. It's not like cottage cheese, like small little balls in cream, but I mean the more stale form of cottage cheese, you know, the cottage cheese you actually make on countryside. Okay, anyway, but if you're vegan, you can use for sure natural tofu instead, and it will make the texture really nice and creamy. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna enjoy it right now and see you at dinner probably. This is my dinner. Pretty late dinner because I was pretty full after eating this, you know, smoothie bowl. And there we have mashed potato again, because potatoes and soaked buns or bread are the easiest things to eat for me. Rice is too hard. Also millet, mixed millet is okay. Yeah, anyway, but there we have mashed broccoli, there we have mashed baked salmon. Here is my homemade kale pesto with sunflower seeds and nutritional yeast and garlic and stuff like that. And there we have a tomato, also with pepper. And yeah, this is this one which is quite soft. Yeah. So this will be probably my final meal of the day, but if I'm gonna eat something else, I will show you. And yeah, bye.